Good early morning, Fondue. Looks like we got some snow last night.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't. What the hell? This was green
Yeah.
yesterday.
So, well, we had did some setup to be able to get us to a point of, starting a little series on here, taking you guys on our way of the Farming Simulator 22.
Mm-hmm.
But instead, day 9, right? Yeah, day 9 of High Dyin
Mm-hmm.
Holidays is instead going to be spent snow clearing, it would appear.
Yeah, we weren't expecting the snow, but
No.
here we are.
But we've got to clear our yard. We do already have the stuff. It was getting late into the year. So we did already buy the snow removal gear. Um, but yeah, we got to clear our yard. And then I think the factories down in the city were hoping that we'd come down and help as well.
Yeah.
So we'll get our machines warming up there. I think we got to get salt into these.
Okay.
I don't think that we've salted up yet. Nope, we have not. Raise those up. Go ahead and get over here. Put some salt in. Got some salt up here on the shelves. So climb up there. Oh, ignore this. What? Ha 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 ha. I just turned on super strength. I forgot that we didn't have that on to be able to pick up these very heavy pallets and slide them across the floor here.
What's the keybind to switch between your things that you're working on in your machine?
Typically G.
Yep, you're right.
Typically it tells you select next tool as well.
Okay.
Okay, that's done. Oh, where am I stuck? There we go. Trying to get out your way here. I got stuck there for a second.
That's all right.
I'll go ahead and hop back up there. If you want to open that cover up, throw a pallet or two in.
Oh, the cover.
It's open. You got it.
Thank you so much, there, Moose.
All right. Let us get on to it. If you want to, pop one of those side doors and head out on the other side first,
Okay.
and then I'll wrap the driveway and we'll meet up on the other side. I wouldn't worry about salting right now. We'll see what we miss with the lowers here. And then we'll go from there.
All right.
All right. Woohoo! Sideways action. Let's clear this out. Can run that straight on. There we go. Doing some weird stuff down here, but it'll all work out. Have faith. Have faith. It'll all work out. I'm a snow clearing professional. Born and raised in a snow state, so I got a few seasons under my belt before this.
I mean, I've cleared some snow, but not as much as you. It doesn't snow that much in Tennessee. It snows a little bit.
Yeah, let's see, where I'm getting ready to move for university will be, see, they get like 113 inches on average,
See,
like annually. So
only time we've gotten snow like that is apparently before I was born. Back in '93, my part of Tennessee had a blizzard.
yeah, it's always interesting when the South gets snow though, because they just shut down.
I mean, we get snow every year, so it's not as bad here. It's just not crazy snow,
Sure.
but we get snow every year. But granted, they still don't know how to drive in it. You can always tell that it's people
No one does.
who hasn't ever dealt with snow.
Right.
And then specifically my street leading up to our house, there's a hill, and it always ices over every single year. And one of my favorite pastimes is to sit there and watch the people who get stuck in our ditch.
Yeah, that's always pretty fun.
It's just,
Yeah, the town I grew up in had two different colleges, and one was like a proper, like large university. The other one was just a little community college, so it didn't have as much draw as far as like out of state and whatever. Um, but the amount of California plates for the university was insane. And they would just go whipping down Main Street like it was dry out when there was 2 inches of snow and it was actively snowing. And it's like, guys, y'all do just, I get you don't know how it works, but you do need to slow down a little bit. I mean, even the locals slow down when it's actively snowing and there's snow on the ground. Like, not that much, but I mean, we do need to slow down somewhat or we're going to have some problems.
yeah, that's see, we have a small community college, but then we also, surprisingly, in my very small town of Tennessee, we have one of the most prominent, like, I think it's called liberal arts colleges, the ones that like focus
Sure,
on
that's,
religion type stuff.
yeah,
We have one of the most prominent ones in the country in our tiny town.
sure.
So it'll draw some out of towners and like you said, like Californians and stuff, and they're just not used to.
No.
Well, just people. The South is a acquired taste. I'll say that. So like it's a cultural shock.
Just say something, yeah. Well, the North is too. I mean, we spend a lot of time in the dark. We ain't got no room for bullshit or crap.
See, here in the South, it's I mean, not me. I'm a straight shooter when it comes to things. Like
I don't know about straight, but yeah.
That's crazy.
Is it?
It's not. But
is it, chat? Is it?
What do you think, chat? But
just gonna bury your truck in a little bit. Don't worry about it.
It's fine. But it's
do another clearing pass in front of them before we're done.
They're not used to the whole they think, oh, Southern people are so sweet, but it's like, if you listen to what they're saying, they're actually insulting the shit out of you.
Oh yeah. Oh, bless your soul, ain't you precious?
Bless your heart. No, it means, oh, I'm judging the shit out of you.
Oh, you're special.
Well, aren't you just one of God's special angels? No. It really means I'm judging the shit out of you. Get the fuck away from me.
Pretty much.
And I'm gonna go to church on Sunday and tell everybody that I met you. Not me personally. I'm saying that's how those people.
I gotcha.
But as for me, I don't do the whole fake Southern hospitality thing either. I mean, I'm nice to everyone, but if I don't like you, I don't like you. It's just
Yeah, I don't possess energy for fake. So
mm,
if
same.
I don't fuck with somebody or somebody's pissing me off, at some point, I'm gonna just tell them.
What? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
You're making slow work back there, mister.
Yeah, my OCD's kicking in, and I'm
Well,
getting.
that's all right, kinda, but OCD at the end with the final pass. Let's get the snow off first. Still got to get over to the warehouse district before much later.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, bounced off that snow pole. All right. Figuring out the controls over there?
Figuring it out.
Didn't really give you a run through at all. I just kind of shoved you in a new tractor. Just realized that. Last tractor he used was it's on the old farm. Bank done foreclosed on me. Supposedly I wasn't making my payments. Apparently you can't plow a field 4 times and replant without losing money. I don't know.
I don't know, some bullshit.
Yeah, so I sold what I could and moved out of there. Now we're in Goldcrest Valley, I want to say is the name of this new town that we're in. And
I just followed the boss. He said, "Hey, we're moving." And I said, "Okay."
got us some used equipment and, well, couple used, couple new. See how long the used equipment works for us in the season. Worked better with the tiny tractor last time, but hey, that's took out a window almost. Launch yourself over there. You ain't gonna get paid this year.
I didn't get paid last year. I don't know why I'm doing this.
Bank foreclosed on us last year. It's not my fault. All right. Well, just about done here. Took us almost 2 hours. Hopefully well, I was gonna say hopefully the warehouse doesn't take as long, but it will. Warehouse is even more space, so. Shouldn't be bad though. Do the same thing. Hit one side, hit the other. Meet up in the middle somewhere. That's looking pretty good and done. And zoom on over here to the warehouse district and we'll get them took care of too.
How much they paying us for this?
You know, to be honest with you, I'm not totally sure. But I do know that they ship stuff out for us, so I mean,
Okay, we'll help them out a little bit.
Yeah. I don't think it's a permanent situation either. I think they just need some help at the beginning of the season. I mean, snow just started flying just about. They not have landlines in Tennessee?
Landlines. Yeah, they got land. Well, not many people have.
Lane lines,
Oh,
jackass.
yeah, landlines.
Over there playing fucking Pac-Man. Waka 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 waka.
I was honestly trying to get my cruise control set up.
Damn near there. Alright, if you want to start on the closer one and, you know, actually use the entrance this time.
You know, you're not wrong.
Well, when we came over and scoped it out, you drove through the poor guy's grass. Alright.
Hey, we're doing a free job for them. They can kiss my grits.
It was in the summertime in your truck. I don't know what you're talking about. Free
Oh,
job.
yeah.
Well, looks like it's got that frozen apron from all the plow trucks on the highway here. Have given me the perfect spot. I appreciate that.
Perfect spot for
I am
what?
ditching that salt spreader for a few minutes. The thing is
Oh.
holding me back, I think. It's getting stuck everywhere. Man, it's a very slow spout turn. There we go. Why am I not lowered? Excusez-moi. I'd like my snow, please. Oh. I'm like, what's going on with this thing? I forgot to select the tool in here.
Is this one of them used ones? Maybe it's just not working properly.
No, the apparatus is new. We did get these tractors used. Wholesale type deal where I found a couple of nice tractors. There was these two and then a couple of smaller models that I figured might be decent to have around as well for fairly cheap, so I picked those up.
All right. I see what you mean about the salt thing. I'm stuck now. Damn it.
Yeah. Might want to kick that thing off whenever you can.
I might have to kick it off just to fucking get away from it. Maybe. We'll see.
Here, let me come over there and we'll see if we can knock you free without doing all
I
that,
got it.
without damaging. You did? All
Yeah,
right, good
yeah.
deal. All right. Don't know if I'm going to be able to fit in the space of this truck over here. Might have even been a good idea to bring one of each tractor out down to here. Bring one of the small tractors out too. I don't know. We'll see. See how it goes. We're making pretty decent work of it though.
Hell yeah.
I think we figured out some of our issues with the yard and we're locked in on it now.
Lock in, chat. Lock in. Stay with us.
Yeah. If you want to do a pass close to the back doors there, you've got like open side on the exit over on the other side of the buildings.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
I see what you mean.
Probably not, but you know.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, you'll figure it out when you get to the other side. Whoa, no cruise control, please. Wrong button.
About tilting that thing up. It's made my life so much easier.
Well, I mean, the controls are on your screen. I don't know how you didn't find it.
I mean, I see the little click thing, but it doesn't like say anything about tilting it. So like I honestly just forgot about that. So no wonder it took me so long to get it, my little portion done over there.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Okay. Okay. I'm just saying I made like multiple passes over one line because of the piles.
Well, yeah, you also just weren't putting the piles in the right spot.
Listen. Hey, you don't pay me, so you get what you don't pay for.
Well, I don't pay you because you didn't get any of the bank statements to me. You didn't pay none of the bills you were supposed to. You're a farm manager, you know. You ain't just some lowly fucking worker. You're supposed to be doing shit.
Listen.
All right, the bank forecloses. It's on more than just me that shit wasn't getting paid, apparently.
You know, you're supposed to
It's a
double
massive
check my work.
ranch.
You know who you hired.
No. I hired someone I thought was competent.
I can barely read, sir.
Who the fuck gave you a goddamn hard hat then?
You did, sir.
I don't recall that.
Well, my mama said that I could be
Your
whatever
mama was
I
wrong.
want to be.
Your mama was wrong.
As long as I put my brain to it.
You can't be a pirate. You can't be a farmer.
I can be anything I want to, as long as I believe.
I don't know if you're much good as a factory worker. You ain't done seen that yet. Don't worry, we'll find you a job you're good at yet.
Maybe. Hopefully it pays.
It won't.
Damn.
Not like it should.
Damn.
You'll be overworked, overtaxed, underbenefited.
Tired of being broke, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. You live in the land of dreams and bills.
Truly.
Land of the dream, or land of dreams and home of the bills.
100%. most video games that I've noticed, they do not program like the NPC drivers. Like none of them do it well.
No video game does. Done. Wow, yeah, big ol' stroke just then. Correct. I agree with that wholeheartedly. No video game does AI drivers correctly. I'd say the best one though, and ooh, this is a maybe, but I'd almost say ATS and ETS just based off of the fact that if you turn your beacons and hazards on and start swinging wide, they'll stop and give you the space. Now, once you get past a certain point, they might disregard all of that and then run into your fucking trailer. But they start off giving you the space, and that's pretty nice. All right. Well, thank you for joining us on day 9 of High Dyin Holidays.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty fun, kind of a slower day.
Yeah.
But momentum will keep back tomorrow with who knows what.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And if you
We'll
like
see you
this,
guys next time.
drop a comment. Maybe we'll start a series after the new year. See how
Yeah,
the farm
yeah,
develops.
for sure. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.